doing, man? That's your car there? What's your name, by the way? It's your family, bro? Lamar, bro. Lamar. What's your name?
Rabbit.
Rabbit, man. Nice to meet you, bro. What you got here?
95 Caprice.
95 Caprice, the bubble.
Yeah, you know, that's that bubble, motherfucker.
What you got him sitting on, fam?
Some 15-inch D22s. All 5. I got bags. 8 10s. Insides, 2 roofs. Stars and shit. Go check it out.
There you go, there you go. I appreciate that, bro. You got a IG or business, something you want to promote? Shout out, city, anything? Family?
Money train. Money train, man. Take us home, baby. Water show.
There we go, baby. I appreciate that, bro. You got beautiful sons, man. Y'all take it easy. Nice to meet you.